When working with electrical connections, especially in set screw type terminals like those found in meter sockets, proper preparation of the conductor is crucial. This involves understanding when and how to use a wire brush and antioxidant compounds on both copper and aluminum conductors. Let's break down the procedures for each type of conductor. For copper conductors, wire brushing is recommended to remove any oxidation or corrosion that may have formed on the surface. This ensures a clean, conductive surface for making a solid electrical connection. After wire brushing, the application of an antioxidant is also recommended. The antioxidant helps prevent future oxidation and further ensures a good, long-lasting connection. Now, let's move on to old EC or -1350 aluminum conductors. Similar to copper, wire brushing is recommended to remove any existing oxidation or corrosion from the surface of the aluminum conductor. However, it is important to note that after wire brushing old EC or -1350 aluminum, you must use the special antioxidant specifically formulated for aluminum. These aluminum-specific antioxidants are designed to work with the unique properties of aluminum and prevent corrosion. Newer -8000 series aluminum conductors require a slightly different approach. Generally, wire brushing is not recommended for newer -8000 series aluminum. The reason for this is that the wire bristles can potentially damage the protective oxide layer that naturally forms on the aluminum surface. This oxide layer actually helps to protect the aluminum from corrosion. Therefore, disrupting it with a wire brush can be detrimental. However, even though wire brushing is generally not recommended, the use of an antioxidant is still recommended for new -8000 series aluminum. It is crucial to use a special antioxidant specifically formulated for -8000 aluminum. These specialized antioxidants are sometimes referred to as inhibitors. They are available in paste or liquid form and react with the aluminum surface to create an enhanced protective layer that further prevents corrosion. This layer supplements the natural oxide layer and ensures a reliable connection. Now let's outline the general procedure for preparing a wire for termination in a set screw type connection. Firstly, carefully strip the insulation from the wire, exposing the conductor. Secondly, if the conductor is copper or old EC or -1350 aluminum, use a wire brush to thoroughly clean the contact surface of the wire and the terminal itself. If it is new -8000 series aluminum, skip this wire brushing step. Thirdly, apply the appropriate antioxidant compound to the contact surfaces of both the wire and the terminal. Make sure to use an antioxidant that is specifically designed for the type of metal you are working with, whether it's copper, old aluminum, or new -8000 series aluminum. Fourthly, carefully insert the wire into the terminal and tighten the set screw to the manufacturer's specified torque. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. It is critically important to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific antioxidant you are using. Different antioxidants may have different application requirements or compatibility considerations. Some antioxidants, for example, may not be compatible with all types of aluminum. Using the correct antioxidant and following the manufacturer's instructions is crucial for ensuring a reliable and long-lasting electrical connection. In summary, for copper conductors, wire brush to remove oxidation and apply an antioxidant to prevent future corrosion. For old EC or -1350 aluminum, wire brush to remove oxidation and apply a special aluminum-specific antioxidant. For newer -8000 series aluminum, generally avoid wire brushing and apply a special -8000 aluminum-specific antioxidant inhibitor. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific antioxidant you are using. By following these guidelines, you can ensure reliable and safe electrical connections when terminating wires in set screw type connections.